With the blizzard of 2015 upon us, Salve Regina University has canceled classes for Monday at 2 p.m. until classes will resume Thursday morning. In the meantime, the Office of Safety and Security has some snowstorm tips. The Office of Safety and Security is open 24/7. The best number to reach them is 401-341-2325. If you are unable to reach Safety and Security by phone, notify your RA or area coordinator. If you experience a power loss, contact Safety and Security. Emergency crews from National Grid will be on call during the storm and will restore power as soon as possible. Charge your cell phone ahead of time. In the event of prolonged power loss, this will ensure that you have cell phone usage. You should never use candles, even if the power goes out. Here are some important phone numbers to remember. Safety and Security, 401-341-2325. National Grid Power Outage, 800-465-1212. National Grid Gas Leak, 800-640-1595. Throughout the course of the storm, please refer to Salve Today for periodic campus announcements and other campus services. Use your good judgment and stay safe, Seahawks. From Storm Central at Salve Today, I'm Shannon Hardy.